Well, this tutorial is for someone who needs to understand what absolute referencing is in Excel. So, absolute reference is when a reference has a dollar sign, and in absolute referencing, if you use it, it locks the reference in the formula. So, let us use this example to understand what absolute referencing is. So, this is a worksheet for traders. They're selling oranges. So, let us help them to calculate the price of oranges. So we begin with our first traders. We select the cell equal sign, then we select the number of oranges. We multiply it by the unit cost. Our unit cost is in cell reference of C2 as you're seeing. I press enter. So if I want to maintain this cell reference all throughout other rows, what I'm going to do, I'll introduce what we call absolute referencing. And with absolute referencing, a reference as a dollar sign, as you're going to see. So I put a dollar sign before my before C, my cell reference, C later, and after C. Then I press enter. So when I press enter and I drag going downwards, going to be able to get the prices of other traders. Thank you so much.